Good morning, Engineer Raul Tamayo. For overview, this interview is our first task in our course, Technical Communication, with our first topic about technical writing. So we were tasked to interview professionals and ask them about their experiences in writing technical papers po. So for reference, technical papers are documents that describe the progress, process, or results of scientific or engineering research and development, typically including a standard outline of an abstract, introduction, methods, results, and conclusion. Okay, so for example, this may includes research papers, technical reports, manuals, technical data sheets, and so on. So for introduction po, can you introduce yourself, sir?
My name is Raul Tamayo. I am a professional ECE,
Currently working.
currently working at Corning Singapore Holding Limited Philippine branch here in Makati.
And how long have you been in the industry, sir?
I've been working in the industry as ECE since I mean for more than almost I should say more than 20 years, you can say.
Okay, sir. So, before the interview, we discussed the questions. So, Mr. Raul may read some of his notes in this paper below. So, to start the questions, what is your experience in writing technical papers, sir?
My experience in writing technical papers is that when I apply for an upgrade as professional ECE, of course I am a licensed ECE, but to have an upgrade, you must be at least past the ECE board. I mean, you should be a licensed ECE. At least 7 years into practice as in your field as an ECE, not necessarily continuous 7 years, but all in all, at least 7 years. So, and another one is, of course, you should be affiliated with any ICEP chapter. I think that is their minimum requirement.
So, basically, sir, your experience in writing technical papers is the research paper that you used to apply for PC.
Yes, you can say so.
Yes, sir.
And then after that, we have to organize this one, write everything, and then submit it for evaluation, and then you will go for a panel interview.
Okay, sir. So, for the next question, what are your strengths in writing technical papers?
Actually, writing technical papers is that you must know what you are writing in the first place. At least you should have your experience as your basis, so that you can have ideas how to go further. You should be keen attention to details, and then at least you should be familiar with technical words, because they are the one you are writing, and then if you want to expound them, then I think it is better. And then you should be aware with your audience, because at least when you will go, I should say, for an interview, you should not, at least you will not sound like monotonous to them. They should be aware on what you are talking, and so that you can have an active communication with them.
So, for the third question, what are your weaknesses in writing technical papers, sir?
My weakness in writing technical papers is basically if you don't know what you're writing, so you have a hard time doing it. So at least if you lack the personal experience with tasks that you are not familiar, so you cannot put it into papers, I mean into writings. Plus, if you have limited knowledge in grammar structure, of course there will be some adjustment and then
Problems
problems along the way. If then maybe the meaning you want to impart is maybe different in how you are writing it.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Yes.
For the last question, what is the value of technical writing in your profession?
So, value of this technical writing is at least it should be effectively communicate with complex ideas so that you can support decision making if you are equipped with ideas and know-how, so that whenever somebody is asking, and then you can easily write it. Plus, for future reference, this may serve as preserved knowledge for you.
Okay, sir. Is that all, sir?
I think that's all how I made my PECE thesis, you can say.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. That's all, sir. Thank you, pa.
Thank you.